Hi, my name is Jose and today I'm gonna show you how to change the way as you see your part on your Solidworks easily, okay? Because sometimes we created one part on selected plan, but we just you just want to change the way as we can see this part, and I'm gonna show you how to do this very quickly, okay? So open your SolidWorks, go to new, select one part, choose one plan and open a sketch. Here you're gonna choose circle and click on center, smart dimension, okay. Now go to the feature. Let's put one other thing right here. Center rectangle, smart dimension. Okay, now go to the future and go to extruded base. Okay, leave it blind here and put another dimension 20. Now you can, if you can see, the top plane is right here, front plane is right here. If I want to leave this part this way, when I select Control and 7 to make this position right here that we call the metric, you can see here all the way that this part gonna be show it to you. But if you wanna change, let's put this face to front place. Okay, let's change this face here to front. Okay, to see this visualization right here, to change is just select, is just to tab on space in your keyboard. Okay, select space and you can see this box that make you see quickly the perspective that you want to see your part. If you choose this one, I'm gonna put normal to this plan just to you see, and you can by this point open another sketch and make all the things that you wanna do. But here we're gonna change this perspective to front plane. Okay, so choose this face right here, normal to. Now you're gonna tab on your keyboard the space bar. Okay, here I'm gonna open this this options for you. If you choose this one, update standard view, you need to select the new one that you can make this selected view become. Okay, here you're gonna put on front. You open this box here, saying to you that you're gonna change this perspective, and you select yes. Okay, now if you select Ctrl and 7, as you can see, this perspective is changing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so don't lose any tips or any news. Leave your like and comment down here if I help you some way. Okay, see you in the next video.